let's learn how to ask questions in English. These questions are related to the train arrival. Never say the train arrived at 5. Let's start. If you are asking train arrived 5, let's quickly upgrade that in 10 seconds. To ask about schedules, always use does or what time does. Dropping helping verbs makes your English sound incomplete or confusing. Let's look at some examples. Train arrive at 5. This is incorrect. Does the train arrive at 5? This is correct. Train leave when? This is incorrect. What time does the train leave? This is correct. Next, train how? This is incorrect. What time is the next train? This is correct. Train to London arrive? This is incorrect. Does the train to London arrive on time? This is correct. Train leave station 7? This is incorrect. What time does the train leave the station? This is correct. How long train take Paris? This is incorrect. How long does the train take to Paris? This is correct. Train stop here? This is incorrect. Does the train stop here? This is correct. Last train tonight? This is incorrect. What time is the last train tonight? This is correct. Train arrive morning? This is incorrect. Does the train arrive in the morning? This is correct. Next high-speed train when? This is incorrect. What time does the next high-speed train leave? This is correct. Train arrive platform 3? This is incorrect. Does the train arrive at platform 3? This is correct. Here's a quick practice for you. Repeat aloud and fill in these blanks. What time does the train to dash leave? Does the train dash arrive on time? Type your answer in the comment section below. Let's look at the common mistake challenge. I'll say a wrong question and you try to say or type the correct version before I reveal it. Let's start. Train Paris leave what time? Train arrive station 9? Next train London when? Now that you have mapped the answers in your mind, let's look at the correct answers. What time does the train to Paris leave? Does the train arrive at the station at 9? What time does the next train to London leave? Make your own questions too for practice. Let's look at a quick recap. Always use does, dash or what time does followed by your sentence or question. This you need to keep in mind when asking about schedules. Missing helping verbs makes your English sound broken. Practice these and you'll never ask the wrong way again. Hit like if you want more quick travel English. Like, share and subscribe. Happy learning! I'll see you in the next.